Really like the American flag. It's freaking cool. Thank you.
There's lightning going on up there. In the Rivers Landing campground. There's Ronnie.
55, I found it.
We're at the Smokey Mountain Jeep Invasion Expo Center. Just checking out all the displays and all the stuff people are selling.
A lot of cool Jeeps. A lot of really big, heavy-duty, 1-ton. A lot of conversions. A lot of money.
Really
and everything
neat.
That's for sale here costs 4 times as much as Amazon for the same thing.
Really neat vehicles though. It's cool to see the vehicles. And the vendors it's kind of interesting to see all the vendors. But yeah, definitely not a place you want to come if you're looking to buy something at a good deal. Everything's jacked up here.
I found a ruby. Really like the American flag. It's freaking cool. Black Bear Off-Road.
Flowers, that's beautiful. Wow.
Man, those flowers. Look at
Wow, that's really pretty. This river is beautiful. Wow. Pretty long way down. I don't like that at all. Oh gosh, that seems like a long way. This is beautiful. Wow. Our people will be coming up there sometime.
maybe at least 10 more minutes.
That's a city. That's what we're looking at. Wow. You left the dog down there. Go with your mom or something, right? Yeah. We put her in the Jeep with the air. That is.
Something's got something.
Stopped here to take a picture of the group with this view, which is awesome. But Must have a clue. Hard to find nowadays. Please sign in. Oh, we took it off. He had signed us in, but he took it off. It's a pretty cute little shop. They got their pumpkin, their fall stuff out, even though it's 100 degrees outside. There we go. Look at the boys.
Hi, buddy.
What you think, Brandon?
Gotta get Groot.
Hey, it's another Boston! Get lightning. Ooh, it's cool. Just walking back from seeing all the Jeeps and stuff. It's like a car show down there, and it's lightning a lot.
We're on our way to Cades Cove in the Great Smokey Mountain National Park. The river is just beautiful. We got about 15 minutes before we get there.
Loop.
And there's turkey.
There's a turkey over there.
There's supposed to be elk and bear. We seen the butt of a bear for 5 seconds as
Yeah.
he walked into the woods.
Yeah, there's the turkey over here.
Look, he's fluffing up in the dirt. He's gonna get pretty for the ladies.
Yeah, it's funny. So hopefully we'll see some wildlife. Riley's really looking. He's hoping to see something too. These are brand new markers, but some of them are old. Yeah, this is a cemetery they're still using. It's pretty neat. You can see him sneaking up there.
My friend Keith tried to warn me, don't go to Cades Cove. This is a warning to everybody else, don't go to Cades Cove. This is what it is. You sit for a really, really long time, 2 hours to do 7 miles. Pretty much everyone's just put their brakes on and looking for animals, and there aren't any animals. We seen a crow, and that's
See
it.
some turkey.
Well, the turkeys weren't even on Cades Cove, they were back right before it, but this is your scenery.
It's pretty.
And there's no animals. Supposedly there's some elk and bear out here somewhere, but they're all taking a nap. And here's what we do. We just sit here. Every once in a while you can get a glimpse of the people up there that are sitting doing nothing. It's amazing. It's an amazing waste of time, and I wish I would have listened to Keith. Oh, look it. We're gonna move 11 feet. Okay. Man, just burning the time up. Next 11 miles for motorcycles.
So this is the tail of the dragon,
I don't think we're on it yet.
but well, somewhere close to here.
Let me see what my GPS says. Oh, it says 12 miles.
Okay, well, crash on that corner.
That's too bad.
Look at that. Isn't that something? Wow. That's really cool.
It looks like it's
Wow.
a car. But
It does. I don't know. It's super cool. Really neat. It does remind me a lot of when we go out west.
I'm gonna drive right by it.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. You just got off the tail of the dragon.
And we're in North Carolina now.
Wow, look at that. That's cool. Oh, there's a bridge over there.
This is pretty fucking
Look at the mama bear with 3 cubs.
Keep the video.
They're right there. Right there. That
Yeah,
is
right there,
awesome. Oh, that's awesome. I'm
That's
glad
awesome.
glad we didn't hit them. We almost hit them.
3 cubs and a mama.
Wow.
They're still right there. Yeah. They're just standing there on the shoulder. Ready?
Yep. They're climbing that. That's a steep hill to climb for those babies, but man. Well, we're sitting here on the highway. Riley, get up here. Come here. Come here. Before we get on the highway, we thought we should check everything. And Jeff said a tire was smelling real burnt or something. And Jay and Chris's brand new tire is rubbing on the fender. And it's cut like halfway through. So they're back there trying to repair stuff. They got the tire off. And then Keith's exhaust was hanging off. So they got to repair that too. So we're going to do these roadside repairs. Coming into some fog. Ooh, pretty thick it looks like. Wow.
It's not good as fuck. I didn't know it was going this thing.
Wow. Yeah.
Maybe that's what happened. That guy back there, maybe was walking before he drifted into the guardrail.
Oh yeah, they hit all of that corn there. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh, he's doing a wheelie.
Wow.